Hi, my name is Caitlin McClure. Um, let's get this started. Um, right, so this is my presentation for career development in psychology. I already told you my name, so that's that. For my future job, I would like to receive my doctorates in counseling psychology. And some of the job descriptions of this is as a counselor, I would help people with mental, emotional, and physical health issues. I will alleviate people's stress, resolve crises, improve people's sense of well-being, improve people's quality of life. With this degree, I could also become a professor and teach at the university level. Um, I could also conduct research studies on my own. What I like about this degree is the freedom that it allows me so that I don't just have to be counseling with people all day. I also have the option to become a teacher or conduct research studies or do something different because I feel that it will be very emotionally stressful, or not emotionally stressful, but emotionally draining to only be a counselor all of the time. Required education, I will need to receive a PhD level of education in order to become a doctor of, just said that, I will need to go to grad school and I will need to apply to PhD programs. I could also apply to master's programs, get my master's, and then apply to PhD programs. Preferably, I would like to get into a PhD program and just do it straight through. However, getting a master's first is not the end of the world. Also, this is obvious, but I thought I'd include it anyways, a bachelor's is also required for grad school, and I'm getting my bachelor's in general psychology. My four-year plan, I have 3 semesters until graduation, including this one. So I will be graduating in spring of 2022. I've already planned out all of the classes that I need to take until graduation. After graduation, I will take a year off of school. Within that time, I will travel, possibly get a job and work and earn money for grad school. And within that time, I will also apply to grad school. That's me. And this is a picture from Hawaii. I was able to stay there for spring semester while I did school online. It was a lot of fun. This was my favorite hike. Why psychology? I love it. I love it enough to study outside of school. I knew whatever I was going to major in would be something that I loved enough to study on my own, and I wouldn't get bored of it. I also just feel drawn to it in general. I find the subject matter fascinating, and I feel like I could just learn about psychology, specifically different cultures, forever. Um, and I feel that I can be successful at it. And so now comparing my reasons to the reasons for majoring in psychology listed in Chapter 13 of our textbook. I have very strong interest. Yes, I did say that. I want to become a professional psychologist. That's also another reason I would like to pursue psychology. Psychology is a good undergraduate degree. Yes, it is. A bachelor's degree in psychology will prepare me for a job. This is true. I want to become an academic psychologist. Yes. Psychology is a good undergraduate degree to prepare me for teaching. This is true. Yeah, if I also wanted to major in teaching, I guess I could do that as well. I want to figure myself out. And yes, and no, I feel like I already know what I want to do, but anyways, I want to become a professional social worker. Yes. I want to become an industrial or organizational psychologist. Not necessarily. Psychology is an easy major. Yes, comparatively, it certainly is. And that is the end of my slideshow. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great rest of your day.